So I'm fairly certain that that says Yanmar 3YM30 family. Not sure what all of that says, but this will serve as a good video record of it for when I need to put it back together. I know that says 23, but it was put up. It really hasn't been run since 23. As you can see, it's clear as it gets. Pure diesel in there. These belts are loose and need to be retightened via this alternator, which I evidently put in too loose. This is the doghouse that I'm dealing with here, which is not much. And then the starter is back there. And I'm fairly certain that this is how it's placed back there. And this will be the hot coming in. That's the activator for the hot. And the ground, of course, will come from this bottom post here, which is back there on the bottom there where that cable, the yellow cable goes to. So that cable right there has to be replaced. And that